The hippo.
Say hello. Happy Hippo says hi nice and slow. Huge and heavy, but gentle too. Here comes Hippo, how do you do? Hippo hops in the water, splash. Happy Hippo makes a dash. Half in water, half on land. Hippo waves with a wiggly hand. Hungry Hippo chomps all day. Healthy greens along the way. Happy chewing, munch, munch. Hippo loves a hearty lunch. Hippo yawns, oh what a sight. Huge wide mouth, pink and bright. He then shuts it tight. Hippo's feeling sleepy tonight. Hippo hurries, hop, hop, hop. Heavy footsteps, stop, stop, stop. Happy wiggles, shake and sway. Hippo loves a sunny day. H is for Hippo, big and round. Happy heart and funny sound. Clap your hands and shout hooray. H, Hippo today.